For TraderInsight.com, this is Tom Incorvia, and welcome to my top-down trade analysis video. The information I'm about to give you today is going to be pertinent for Tuesday, January the 6th. Let's start off. I want to take a look at the S&P 500. This is a daily chart of the S&P 500, and as you can see, we're pretty much went sideways most of the day. We've been trying to absorb the little rally, I guess, Santa Claus rally that we've seen since the end of December over the last 4 trading sessions. Nothing major, but this is pushing us towards the high end of the range that will put us around in the S&P 500 close to the $1,000 mark. So with that, they are going to try to push this a little bit higher. I think that's going to be the path of least resistance over the next couple weeks. Now, taking a look at my analysis, one sector that looked fairly interesting was the investment management. Fairly similar chart to that of the S&P 500. It's due its a little consolidation. Did break out above some minor resistance that was placed in the beginning of December, but this also kind of sideways, but it looks like this wants to push up higher. We're probably getting a little bit of a push towards the 75 or at least test the $80 mark. I went and took a look at some stocks that made up this sub-index, and there was a couple charts that had some productive setups. The first one I want to take a look at, Ameriprise Financial. And as you can see, we've had a nice rally with the market, did break above. Arguably, we got a reverse head and shoulders set up here, and this looks like it wants to push up towards the $30 range. But they're starting to look, getting some support. You can't really take a look at the volume over the last few weeks due to the holiday season, but it does look like they want to push higher. The next one within this sub-index is T. Rowe Price, symbol TROW. And also breaking above this consolidation, and probably will test the early November area of at least 42. That's my thinking. At least it's going to push up to see if there's still sellers in that area. And the last one I want to take a look at is Fortune Brands, symbol FO. This is probably a little bit more productive. This is we're into the October area here, and as you can see, it had a little pullback today, had a nice rally, broke above the consolidation, and this is kind of leading the rest of the investment management subsector. But this also looks like it wants to test, at least probably go towards the 46, 48 area. So if anybody has any questions, please feel free, drop me a note at tom@traderinsight.com.